Last night, I was beyond exhausted, my body aching from hours of video editing. I had finally decided to take a break. Then I had finally get some rest and recharge. Just as I was about to hit the pillow, my phone buzzed. A random message popped up. I was too tired to care, but curiosity got the better of me. I opened the message, and to my surprise, it was from a client in the US. He wanted me to edit a video of his trip, hiking, skiing, swimming, and even golfing. As much as I was craving sleep, something about their request sparked my interest. I couldn't resist responding. And so I typed back, still fighting the tiredness. Little did I know, this conversation would turn into an adventure of its own. Let's take a look at the chat between me and the client. What kind of video editing does he want, and how is this going to turn out? Stick around because this one's about to get interesting. Hey Ans, I like your style of editing. I see you edit Insta360. Can you do GoPro Max too? Also, will your basic package be 2 minutes if I choose to go with your service? Thanks. Hi, please share your GoPro Max 2 along with the Insta360 footage for review. Could you tell me how long is the raw footage? In basic package, you can send up to 30 minutes of raw footage, but I would suggest to share the footage with me to review it before ordering. What kind of editing you are looking for? Share all the details. I'm uploading the footage to Google Drive now. The video will be a family holiday. I'm thinking the first part of the movie is relaxing and focus on the travel to the holiday. Then action edit during the golf, hiking, and boat trip. I also have a time-lapse of sunset I would like to have included. I'm also going on a ski trip next month, so if this is a great job, I would like to use your services for that trip as well. And I'm thinking around 2 minutes final video. Got it. And in which aspect ratio? 16:9 YouTube long form video format or 9:16 vertical Instagram reel format? 16:9 YouTube long form video format. I also recorded the video in long format so it can be color graded easier. Thanks for clarifying. This is always the first step. In this step, we are going to reframe the GoPro videos as the GoPro Max records video in 360-degree. So my job is to reframe that 360 videos into flat MP4 videos in one view so we can easily adjust it and edit it later. This is the second step, and right now after we have reframed the GoPro videos into flat MP4 videos, and now I'm going to import those reframed videos into the timeline of Adobe Premiere Pro. Step 3, and after we have imported the raw footage into the timeline, right now I'm going to make rough cuts, and this is phase 1 because I'm just making rough cuts, only just cutting out unnecessary parts, unnecessary angles, dead spaces, unwanted clips, just to make it more clean, more organizable, and more cleaner version for the next steps so I can make a great storytelling for the client. step 4, and this is the phase 2 of cutting down the video. And in this step, in the previous step, we have made the rough cuts and made it more neat and clean. And now in this step, we are going to make some precise cuts, make good cuts, keep the good clips, and remove the bad angles, bad clips. Just don't overthink about it, and just try to eliminate or keep the clips you really like. And right now we are reducing the video length to 3 minutes approximately. This is the step number 5, and after we have reached to approximately 3 minutes of the video, we are going to label each scene with individual colors so we can know what scene and this color is, so we can make great storytelling. This is the technique that if you can't organize long raw footage, then just make rough cuts, reduce the video length as much as you can, and after you have reduced the length and you have a shorter version of the video, then it's more easily manageable. You can manage and organize the shorter video more easily. So we are going to label each scene with individual colors. After in the previous step we have labeled each scene, now we know we have more cleaner version, more compact videos, and now we are going to make more cuts, make more precise cuts. And this is the hardest part because we have to decide which clip to keep and which clip to remove, and this is the final part of making the storytelling, and this totally depends on your creativity and your experience. The more you practice video editing, the easier it will be to judge between the good and bad clips. So trust your instincts and remove or keep the clips you really like or really dislike, and just don't overthink it. Don't try to waste a lot of time in making good decisions. Just do whatever your brain says and keep that clip or remove that clip. Step number 7, and after we have finally reached to the desired video length and the video has now more polished and we have a lot of great angles, great views, in this step we are going to export the video in the highest resolution possible, and then we will import that video in the Capcut, and after that we will play with the speed curves in Capcut to add more slow-mos or speed ups so it has more engaging storytelling. So we are going to play with the speed curves and the Capcut. Remember, you need a pro version of Capcut to play with the speed curves. This is the final step. Our video is almost ready. The storytelling is 80% done, and now we are going to make some light color adjustments and add the final music the client sent us. And so this will be our final step. So this was it for today, and thank you for watching my video till the end. And if you have really learned something from this video, then I would highly appreciate it if you like this video and subscribe to my channel. I will see you in the next video. Peace.